Hello, what's up mga kabataan? Ayan, dito na tayo sa ating YouTube channel, sa ating Facebook page. At tayo magre-reaction video sa latest concert ni Neo sa Araneta Coliseum. Panoorin nyo guys. At saka by the way guys, dito nga pala ang ating kabalaybay at ang aking laging partner sa reaction video, si Paring Dayo. Paring Dayo, pasok! Hello guys, ito nga pala si Paring Dayo, ang laging ko-partner ng ating si Batanggenyong Gala. At talagang tayo magre-reaction videos naman ngayon. Ito ang ating reaction videos, yung concert. Yung concert ni Neo. Oo, yung concert.
And then y'all are gonna help me judge who did it the best. Can you help me with this?
Yan, panoodin natin. Lupit mo nga ito.
Contestant number one.
Parang maganda nga ito. Palabas na sana.
Oh, you. Come in, girl. Hey.
Gusto ko rin ito yung ibang concert sa personal.
What's your name, love?
Wow, from Makati City daw siya.
Here we go.
From
One,
Makati
two,
pala.
three.
Ay, peray pa siya ate, ano?
Show your love for contestant number one.
Ayos din.
Okay.
Pero itong type na type itong beat, itong aking yung parang itong beat ko eh. Si, ano eh, ito, contestant number 2.
Come in, girl.
Parang mas okay.
Come in,
Dito.
girl. Hey. Love the outfit, baby.
Nice
All right. You
outfit.
know what's your name?
I'm Greta.
Where you from, Greta?
I'm from CDO.
Here we go.
CTO.
Two, three.
Napamulaga ka doon, ano? Sulit, ano? Sabay hiya.
Show your love for contestant number two.
Ito yung pinaka bet ko.
Which means
Ang contestant number 3.
Come here, girl. Hey. Come here, girl. Hey. How you doing, baby? Oh, she ready. Now, what's your name, love?
Micah.
And where you from, love?
Manila.
Manila represent. Here we go. One,
Yan na.
three.
Grabe, feel. Ang busog ko. Siya ang mga tao. Nagulat si Neo. Kabog na kabog eh. Grabe yun na. Nakapainom ng tubig eh. Oh?
All right. It's on y'all now. Here we go.
So yung bet mo.
Okay. Was it contestant number one? All right.
Ang bet yun sa akin.
Was it contestant number two?
Section number 2. Galit si Bayo din eh.
All right. Was it contestant number three?
Game na game talaga siya. No?
Ladies and gentlemen, first and foremost, there are no losers on the Neo stage. Okay, nobody loses on my stage. I think we should give all three of these ladies a round of applause. Get them all a round of applause.
Masarap pala itong concert sa
No
personal.
rules on my stage. However, there can only be one winner. Please show your love for tonight's winner, contestant number 3.
Number 2 pala nanalo.
Hey, 1, 2, 3.
Grabe ka kayo talaga paano tayo sa'yo yan. Ay pa. Lupit. Talaga may body touching pa siya. Nice. Ipag-yakot pa. Wala ko nakis pa. Tuwan pala ang babae. Ay, kami galing.
Show your love for contestant number 3.